Guys, nagbabalik na naman tayo sa isang another episode of Hardcore natin. So, nagbabalik tayo para maghanap ng cave na maganda na maraming iron para makakita tayo ng diamonds at gawa na tayo ng next bahay natin. So, tara. Bago lang, kung di pa kayo nakasubscribe, mag-subscribe na kayo. Libre lang yan. At pwede nyo naman palitan kung ayaw nyo manood dito sa akin. Pero, i-subscribe para makaabot na ako ng 50 subscriber. That's not much. So yeah, let's go. Let's go find a village. So yo, why creepy here? Oh, tignan mo matay. This skeleton, bro. What do you want from me? For me, bro. Ba't hawak ko itong, lang, guys. Naglalakad eh. Junk border strip. Leaf breakers. Breakable spawner. Sunbreaker. Tool replacement. Lava ray flow, automatically updating map. Stonebreaker. Okay. This plate. Stone. Ayan. Yan. I-on ko na lang lahat para paggagawa ko ng bahay na, guys. Basic lang. Kung gusto nyo ng mod na to, guys, lagay ko na lang sa description yung link. Kung gusto nyo. Okay, on natin lahat to. Oh na, what are you doing? Ubus time na nga ako eh. Nice. Ibis ako na nga lang, bro eh. Ano? No, automatically updating map. No. Do want that. Stonebreaker. Magma blocks. Rock. Hindi ko alam tawag doon. Top. Netherrack. Band. Bro, she is blind, bro. What just happened? Yo, may tubig. I can see nothing, bro. Let's go up and sleep muna tayo. At this point, parang gusto ko nang gumawa ng bahay. Tara, gawa nga tayo. Okay, let's see. Hanap tayo ng guys. Uy, ako nang kalabanin yan. Bala ka dyan. Hanap tayo ng mabundok na parang tapos doon tayo gawa. Okay. Let's see here. Pero ang bagong nut, kunin ko muna yung gawa mo na pickaxe ko, bro. Yes, I don't have a pickaxe. No. And we're gonna make some pickaxe. Wala pa nga akong iron, guys eh. Nakakatamad. But we're gonna make it work. Helmet tayo. Projectile. I'm gonna throw in this. Throw away anything, bro. Throw this. Lang meron tayo laro. Kuha tayo ng neto. Bang. 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 Yeah, bro, that's what I'm talking about. Starting armor. Let's go find a base. Let's go find some. We're gonna build my base. Uy. As fast, you know. Oh, look at this. Seems like pretty good to build a house, dude. Nah. I'm gonna make a base here. This looks perfect. Okay. Let's see. Bro, saan sa tenga, bro? Wait. Okay, let's see. Kuha tayo ng stick muna. Tapos kuha tayo shovel. Kuha tayo ng hoe. Tanggalin natin yung leaves. Para walang parang-arang. Okay. Okay. Bro, it's ruined. This looking like a base to me, dog. Bro, sira agad pickaxe ko. Wow, what a nice pickaxe, bro. I'm gonna make 4 pickaxe. Three by 3. Ooh, that's crazy. Insta break all the ores. No way na may cave dito. Bro, you're blind. Okay. Yung iron kailangan ko, bro. Thank you. And I'm gonna fix this. Bro, are you ruining my... Grabe naman skeleton ngayon. Oh, machine gun na. Let's make talaga na. What the frick? Hirap naman gumawa ng bahay. Now, let's see. Pag yumuko ba ako, di kagana. Oh. Okay, I see how it is. Okay. Okay. We gotta do that. No, bro. Yan. Here's gonna be my base. Gonna get this dirt. Gonna fix this one day. Siyempre, don't forget here. Para smooth. Kailangan ko ng spruce. No. No. And okay na to. And lagyan natin ng torch para walang mag-spawn na mobs. Yeah, loyo, chill. Okay. Pinilawang wood. A lot of wood to make this floor clean. Okay, so wait, where's the book? Here, the book. Hindi ulit yung tangik. So, tool indicator. No. Stone breaker. Resize. Lalaro. Height ba to? Depth. And yan. Let's try. Hey, that's perfect, dude. Okay, let's end here, bro. Wait. Okay guys, bye. See you in the next video na lang. Subscribe na lang kayo. And like, tatapusin ko na to ng camera off para sa inyo. Please, like and subscribe. Share with your friend. Para ma-updated ka, subscribe ka na rin. Bye-bye.